In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp location not opening on Grab. You can see that opening on Google Map. For fixing this, just go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on reset app preference. Now click on reset apps. Now open WhatsApp, then click on your desired location. You can see that Grab option. Click on Grab, click on just one or always. Now I hope that this video fix WhatsApp location not opening in Grab problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.